Last year, the NHF issued some 3 million prescriptions to Jamaicans. We have moved from 16 to 24 categories of illness. In other words, we have added 3 other areas of cancer-related illnesses, as well as other areas that is now covered under the NHF. And what that means is that more Jamaicans are benefiting from the National Health Fund. And it therefore also means that there is more relief for those Jamaicans. So today the NHF provides coverage for 5 cancers, lung cancer, colorectal cancer, multiple myeloma, in addition to breast and prostate cancer, which we inherited when we came into office. But in addition to that, the NHF also now covers conditions related to hyperactive disorder, attention deficit hyperactive disorder, lupus, Parkinson's disease, and thyroid disease. And so we made a point that the NHF has become a lot more relevant to the needs of the population. And that's what we're about. It's about serving people where they need the service. And it also demonstrates the commitment of the government to realign and to adjust and to ensure that we meet the requirements of the Jamaican people. So having done